How to view all saved posts on your Instagram account. So first of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this, so now let's say I want to save this post, so I'll tap on this icon. So as you can see now here it says save to collection. So if you want to view the post that you save, all you have to do now, tap on this menu, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. Now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, now scroll to down and tap on this section which says save. As you can see here is it the option save. After you tap on this save button, as you can see here, it says all posts. Here is it. As you can see here, it says all posts. So tap on it. So as you can see now, the posts are a lot. As you can see now, here is it. Now you can be able now to see all the posts that you save on your Instagram account. You can be able to go and watch it again if you want. Let's say if you want to open it, just tap on it. It will open for you. That's it guys on how to find save posts on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to just view like reel that you save, as you can see, you can tap on this section to view all the reels you save as well. As you can see, here is all the reels I save on my Instagram, and here is the post section, and the reel section. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.